I had to break up my extension cable. And I have a cool trick. I don't know if you guys know how to do this or not. To those of you who know how to do this, props. Because it's a really cool trick. So your extension cable, basically both your ends come to this point. And then you're just gonna loop it once, like this. And then you're just gonna go loop through, like that. And then you're just gonna keep looping. So if you're, crunch for time, this is actually, I don't know, it may or may not be faster than rolling it on your arm, but I like this because you can hang it, and when you're done, it pulls out a lot faster when you're ready to use it, instead of trying to uncoil something. So then you end up with that. Pretty sweet. And then when you want to undo it, you just unpull it here, and then these all pull out all the way down the line. So if it's a really long extension cable, you can just have somebody else stay on the other end, and you both pull, and it just unravels itself. And it keeps things from twisting up.
Whoa.